If you've ever wanted to grow your plant collection for free, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into 15 beginner-friendly houseplants and exactly how to propagate them, with step-by-step explanations. Whether you love water propagation, soil, or something a little different, there's a perfect plant here for you. Let's begin. Water propagation is the easiest way to start because you can see the roots grow. Here's how to do it with these 5 plants. First, golden pothos. Cut a 4-6-inch stem just below a node, that bump where leaves grow. Remove the bottom leaves and place it in water. Roots will appear in 1-2 weeks. Change the water weekly to keep it fresh. Next, philodendron heartleaf. Just like pothos, philodendrons need a node underwater, but they're slower. Roots take 2-3 weeks. Be patient. For Tradescantia, or wandering dude, these grow so fast, a 3-inch cutting can root in just 5-7 days. The purple color makes it fun to watch. Now, Monstera Deliciosa. Look for a stem with an aerial root, that brown nub. Cut below it, place in water, and you'll have roots in 2 to 4 weeks. Finally, Coleus. Snip a stem with 2-3 leaves, remove the bottom leaves, and submerge the nodes. Roots form quickly, great for beginners. Remember, use room temperature water and indirect light to avoid algae growth. Some plants root better directly in soil. Here's how to do it right. Start with spider plants. See these baby pups? Wait until they have small roots, then snip and plant in moist soil. Keep the soil damp for the first week. For snake plants, cut a leaf into 3-inch pieces. Let them dry for a day to prevent rot. Then plant them right side up in cactus mix. New shoots take months, but it's worth it. Z plants are different. Gently separate the thick potato-like rhizomes, making sure each division has roots. Plant in well-draining soil and wait. They grow slowly but surely. Jade plants need cuttings to dry for 2 to 3 days before planting. They store water in their leaves, so overwatering kills them faster than neglect. And string of pearls? Coil strands on top of soil, pressing nodes down lightly. Mist occasionally, roots will form where pearls touch the soil. Pro tip: use a spray bottle to keep soil moist but not soggy for new cuttings. Now for the unusual but rewarding techniques. African violets. Cut a healthy leaf with 1 to 2 inches of stem. Place in water, avoid submerging the leaf. And tiny plants will grow in 4 to 6 weeks. Christmas cactus. Gently twist off 2 to 3 segments. Let them dry for a day, then plant. They love humidity. Cover with a plastic bag for faster rooting. Chinese money plant, Pilea. Wait until offsets are 2 to 3 inches tall, then gently pull them from the mother plant. Plant in small pots, they grow fast. Aloe Vera. Look for pups with their own roots. Gently separate them with a knife, then plant in sandy soil. Water sparingly. Begonia rex. Cut a leaf, score the veins, and pin it to damp soil. New plants will sprout from the cuts, like magic. This takes patience, but the results are stunning. And there you have it, 15 plants with step-by-step propagation guides. Start with 1, and soon you'll have a house full of free plants. Which method are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. For more tips, subscribe and hit the bell. Happy growing!